The Huawei MateBook X Pro that we just presented here at the Mobile World Congress 2018 is one of the most impressive laptops I've seen in a long time. The 91% screen-per-frame ratio is class-leading, giving us a laptop with slightly thin bezels to match the latest flagship phones. The X Pro is also powerful, has a 4-speaker Dolby Atmos audio system and is extremely thin and lightweight. And he has a camera hidden in his keyboard. Due to its extremely thin bevels, this laptop does not have space on its screen to accommodate a traditional camera, so it had to be stored elsewhere. Huawei opted for the new approach of disguising the camera as a keyboard button, placing it between the F6 and F7 keys. It appears when you want to use it, and it closes, guaranteeing your privacy when it does not. Companies like Dell and Lenovo have briefly solved the problem of the thin upper bezel by placing the webcam in the lower frame below the screen. That solution has given rise to the nasal chamber complaint phenomenon due to the altered angle from which the camera looks at the user. Instead of being somewhere close to eye level, the lower chamber is near the keyboard and, therefore, is looking more or less your nostrils as you use it. The Huawei pop-up camera is not doing anything to solve that problem, but it's definitely the coolest nasal chamber that has ever been developed, and it has the advantage of having a physical privacy cover when it's not in use.